Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So today, we're diving into a beauty hack that how to get those natural pink lips, and guess what? It's homemade. So, you don't need to put down that expensive lip balm and let's whip up some magic right from our kitchens. First things first, why do we even want pink lips? I mean, they're like the ultimate sign of health and radiance, right? Pink lips can brighten up your entire face, making you look fresh and youthful. Trust me, you went from dry, flaky lips to soft, pinky ones, and it was such a game changer for me. Look, I don't know about you guys, but I am not about that toxic stuff that's packed with chemicals. Nope. I want something simple, easy, and, of course, natural. Who's with me? Alright, let's jump into DIY recipe. You'll need just a few simple ingredients. Here's what you're going to need. 1. Rose petals, this is our secret weapon for that perfect pink tint. 2. Coconut oil, super moisturizing, it's like a tropical vacation for your lips. 3. Vaseline, it's a natural humectant that locks in moisture. So, first, take few petals of rose, wash it, put them in pan and add 1/4 or water, cover and cook for 2 minutes, boil it until petals color transfer to water. Strain it. Next, we're going in with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and Vaseline. Now you just mix this all up until it's nice and blended together. It should have this divine, luxurious texture. Now, take a clean lip balm container and pour the mixture into it. You have your own homemade pink lip balm. You can store it in the fridge for about a week as if it lasts that long. Apply this as often as you like. I recommend you to apply before bed, and trust me, you will wake up with the softest, pinkest pout. Alright, guys, that wraps up our natural pink lip journey. I hope you enjoyed it and are ready to flaunt those fabulous lips. If you try this recipe, be sure to comment down. I can't wait to see how it turns out for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more homemade beauty hacks. Until next time, stay beautiful and keep those lips popping.